Hey guys, good morning everyone. How are you all?
Good morning, Indra.
Good morning.
Good morning, Indra.
Good morning, Indra. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, good morning. Let's
Good
wait for a
morning.
few minutes. Let's everyone join, then we will get started. Okay guys, meanwhile if you have any doubt, you guys can get started with your doubts. All good everyone? No doubts? Guys, am I audible?
Yes, Indra.
Okay. Give some acknowledgement. Who, ha, nothing you are doing. I thought there is some issue at my end.
No, we are able to hear.
Anyone in the class for whom this is the first class? Okay. Fine then. I'm sharing my screen, guys. Just give me a moment. Come on. Project discussion we will be doing today. Guys, do let me know once you are able to see my screen.
Yes, you can see Indra.
Yes.
Good. So guys, welcome back to KSR Datavizon. This is the third preview session on Power Apps. We are into Power Apps module and we have successfully started Canvas apps yesterday. So today we will be taking it over from the point where we left yesterday. So today we will be discussing what will be the problem statement of the project that we will be solving. Then we will be discussing the data design of your project. Then we will be setting up the infrastructure like SharePoint site we will be creating. And hopefully, if time permits, we will go ahead, we will create our app and we will create the connection between SharePoint and your Canvas app. Is it making sense what we will be covering? Cool. So guys, now I have few project ideas in my mind. So you guys can decide mutually. We all of us can decide mutually which one we want to implement. Okay. First thing first, I can implement claims or expense management app. Second one can be IT asset management tool. Third one can be IT support, the one that we implemented in the previous batch. What else, guys? Any other internal app that you are using in your organization? Anything?
Indra, it might be leaves and attendance management app.
Let me give it an employee management app. So there we will add all the features, leaves and attendance. Okay.
Yeah.
Or leave management app. Let us give us leave management. Attendance, so anyway, you will be having different app, right? Not the leave, but cool.
Mhm.
So guys, these are the four projects, four ideas that I have. So now we can mutually go ahead and decide which one we will implement. In claims, let me go ahead and tell you one by one what will happen in which project. So in claims or expense management app, what will happen, all of you who are working professionals, so if you did any expense related to your work, right, might be your broadband bills, might be your flight tickets when you are traveling to the client location, right, might be some certifications that you're doing, and if you want to apply for any reimbursement, so we will be creating that app here. Clear with the first project?
Yes.
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 Second thing is IT asset management. So IT asset management means like you all of you will be having the assets from IT, right? Like your laptop bags, your accessories, right? So if you want to request for new or get something updated from the IT team. So then you will be using IT asset management app. The third one is IT support app. Like if you need any help from the IT team, it can be related to hardware, software, or anything in the organization. So then this project will help. Fourth one will be leave management app. So where you can go ahead, apply for leaves, get it approved, all these things. Which one? Which one, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Two. The
First
first one.
First one.
Very
One
good.
First one, Indra.
First one, Indra.
Okay, we are in democracy, right? Let's do the voting. All of you who wants me to go ahead and implement first project in the class, please raise your hand. One vote for first, 2 votes, 3 votes, 4 votes, 5, 6, 7. That's it. Okay. So guys, 7 votes for first one. Now let's move to second. Lower down your hands. Siva, lower it down. Okay. Now, how many of you want me to go ahead and discuss second project in the class? Anirudh, Naidu, 3. Okay. Voting closed. Lower down. What about third? 1. Okay. Priyanka, 2. Okay. Good. It's closed now. Lower down your hands, Sana and Afreen. Sana and Priyanka. Sana and Afreen, come on. Okay. Leave management. 1. That's it. Okay. Guys, 7 plus 3, 10. Okay, 2. Got it. 7 plus 3, 10. Plus 2, 12. Plus 2, 14. So there are 33 people in the class, guys. 14 people are saying, okay, let's do it. What about other 19 people or 17 people? 3 might be from, yes, sir. Okay, let's take 15. What about other 15 people? You don't want me to implement anything? Should we finish the batch here? Guys, speak.
They are from Nota.
From Nota. Okay.
Yes.
So you got the answer. Which one we will be going ahead with?
Yes, Indra.
Indra.
Yes.
Yes. Good morning.
Yeah, Priyanka, good morning.
In every app, no, we used to integrate with the Power BI.
In every
Like,
app, concept will be same. Okay. So
okay.
it is
IT
like
support. IT
it is
support
like the
thing will be
same
done
food with
from
different flavors. You guys can choose the flavor which you are close with. That's what it is.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Mm. Yes. So it is just like you should be able to relate to the problem statement, right? So then you will be able to understand, okay, what feature will be required, right? So then it will be little easy. Otherwise, if I will go ahead and implement some problem statement that is very tricky. So you are not close to that problem statement, right? So then you will not understand, okay, which feature is required, how we can do that. So at least for these problem statements, you know, okay, this should be required, assignment should be required, deletion should be required, right? So all these things we will be seeing. Cool. So guys, for your batch, we will be going ahead and implementing the claims management app, or we can say expense management app. Anything is fine. Come on. This Zoom people keeps on giving update and it is very pathetic. Okay. So now, guys, now we know what we want to do. I will write simply claims app for now. Okay. So now, guys, you know what to do. Now the next thing is to lay down the architecture of it. So when you will build any house, so first thing first, what you will do? You will build the architecture like this, right? Okay, this will be my bedroom one. This will be my lawn. This will be my might be washroom, attached washroom, right? Here will be windows. Anyone seen
Blueprint.
this thing? Layout?
That's a blueprint.
Blueprint. Very good. And then you will be getting 3D, 4D, I'm not sure how many Ds, right? You will be getting all the designs. So
Yes.
similarly, here for the claims app, actually not exactly blueprint like how it will look like, but I will be creating the architecture, like what will be the components which will be available in the app. So guys, in the claims app, according to you, what will be the different components which are required? First thing first, there should be a front end thing, right? Where users will be going ahead and they will be adding the claims, right? Correct, guys?
Claim submission form.
No, I'm not going into that granular, Siva. We are figuring out. So these are users, right? Suppose you, all of your users. So you will be needing some front end, right? Which you will logging in and then you can edit and create your claims, isn't it?
Right.
So whatever you are creating from the front end, where it will get stored? Will it get stored in the Power Apps itself?
Backend database.
Backend data. Data. So
We don't know what is Dataverse yet. Okay. So you will be requiring some database, right? Which will be storing and retrieving the data from our front end, right? It will be both ways, right? It will be storing the data also, and front end will be reading the data also from here, isn't it? This is your backend. Now we will figure out like what will be our front, what can be a front end solution, what can be our backend solution. So guys, in front end, as we are in Canvas app, so obviously we are gonna use, we will create Canvas Power Apps, right? Obvious, right?
Because of UI,
Yes.
user
Yeah,
interface.
because of UI, you can say, or because of the foundation that we have, we are discussing Canvas app, right? So we will create a Canvas app. Okay. Now in backend, you have multiple choices. You can go ahead and use Dataverse. You can go ahead to use
SharePoint.
SharePoint. You can go ahead use SQL Server and a lot of things. But for your project, we will be using SharePoint.
SharePoint.
Okay. So now, guys, you figured out what will be the front end solution, what will be the back end solution, right?
Yes, Indra.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this thing we will be building in the class for almost 17, 18 days. Okay, 17 to 18, or for the safe side, 15 to 18 days. So this is a huge thing, okay, where we will be going ahead, implementing all the functionalities and all. This thing, although it will not take more time, we will be able to complete it today itself, but it is very critical.
We're using SharePoint because Dataverse is premium.
No. You missed yesterday's class, Anu?
Yes.
Very good. Watch recording.
Okay.
Okay. Not premium, just to add different flavors. Because in model driven app, anyway, we will be covering Dataverse, right? So I don't want to
Oh,
cover the
okay.
redundant information again and again.
Got got it. Got it. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. So guys, now you have figured out, okay, what will be your data source, right? SharePoint. So now obviously in every data source where you will be storing the data, you will say, okay, store it in SharePoint.
Tables.
It will be somewhere in the tables, right? Table kind of thing, isn't it? Right, guys?
Yes, Indra.
Yes.
So now, guys, now we have to figure out the table structure. Like what should be the table, what should be the columns, right? So obviously, I will create one giant table here where we will have everything for claims app. So I know you will be having some doubts. Okay, so like we are creating this table, how to create relationships and all bulk thing is like what to say, it is having lots of columns, right? So all those things, that is fine. So when we will discuss dataverse and model driven apps, so then we will be creating multiple table and I will be telling you how to create relationships and all. Okay, but for now, for this thing, we will be creating one table which will be claims app, claims for claims app, and let's see how it goes. First thing first, are you guys clear with this slide?
Yeah.
Any doubts here?
Yes, Indra.
Very good. So now, guys, just one thing I want to make very clear. So, what was the idea of choosing this thing? It is because, like, don't think the people who have already enrolled, they know like how we operate. So, the people who are new, so guys, don't think like anyone is a student here or basically learner here. We both we all are team. So I want each one of you to give me inputs, okay? Give me your ideas, what you want to implement, what you are thinking. Whatever is coming in your mind, spit it out on me. Okay. I will, if you are right, we will implement. If you are not right, if it is not possible, I'll give you a valid reason why we are not going ahead with that. Okay. So it should be both ways. The communication should be both ways. I keep on saying this thing again and again. So please participate. Okay.
Okay.
Good. Now, guys, let me move to Excel file where I will create this thing. Let's not do this thing. File, new, blank workbook. Okay. So I can rename this workbook as expense app. Expense/claims app. Very good. Okay. So guys, it will be having a table which will be called as expenses or claims. This is your table name, right? Now, guys, tell me the columns which will be there one by one.
Claims
Claim
ID,
ID.
Employee ID mostly.
Very good. Claim ID,
Employee ID.
employee ID,
Description.
Employee name.
very good. Employee name.
The type of claim.
Wait, wait.
Department.
I know you will be able to give me a lot of columns, but let me go ahead and help you in thinking in a structured way. Okay. So now we are adding the details to employees, right? So first thing first, we will cover everything related to employee. Then you can cover everything related to the claim ticket. Okay. So that we are going it structurally and we are not missing anything.
Okay.
Go ahead, guys. What next?
Department.
Department.
Very good. Don't you feel email contact number is more important than department? It will come before department.
Oh, yes.
Shweta, your younger one is also saying some column. I'm not able to understand. email, contact number. That's it. We are
Claim
done.
type. Claim type.
We are done with employees. Yasin, anything else that we left with?
Claim employee location, like multiple offices are there, right?
Very good. Very good. Very good. What next?
Cost center.
Cost center. You're from HCL?
Yes.
Very good.
The client type.
Client type. So if for employees, we are done with everything. We don't need any other employee details.
Employee manager.
Employee type is a permanent or contract.
Very good. Employee type, right?
Yes.
And then employee reporting manager. Okay. Now tell me all the claims related stuff. Claim ID we have already written.
Claim status, like
Claims. Very good. Claims status.
Claim date.
Very good date.
Claim type or description.
Description.
And description. Claim type. What next?
Completion date.
Date.
Start date.
Amount. Claim amount.
Amount. Important thing, right?
Attachments.
Maybe
Okay.
currency.
Start date. End date.
Currency. Start.
Currency will be in rupees only. Okay. Start date, end
Approvals.
date.
Approvals.
Approved date. Submitted date.
So approvals, do you really feel you should have approvals? Can't you add a status? In progress, completed, approved,
Yes, yes.
right?
Stated it.
So this is what I want to discuss. Like you give me your columns, we will, if it is really needed, we will add. Otherwise, we will discuss like this. Okay. What next?
Is the approval date important?
Uh, you can say like this can be your submission date or creation date, or this can be your completion date, which will automatically get done once it is.
Assignee.
Very good. Very good. Assignee. What next?
Comments.
Very nice. Comments.
Payment method.
Payment method.
I think.
Not a good one to have. You're missing something very important, guys.
Account details.
Mostly bank details. Mostly employee bank details.
Approver.
That organizations will already be having. Approvers will be RM, right? It will be approved by RM.
Okay.
Correct.
Don't you feel invoice number is required?
Correct. Yes.
Yes, required.
Agree, everyone?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Very. So I think we have covered most of the columns which are required. So when you will be implementing it, I want you to go ahead, again brainstorm, create all the columns and do this. Okay?
So mostly claims ID and invoice number both are same.
No. Claim ID is the ID of the claim. Invoice number will be the number of your bill. Suppose you are submitting your train tickets, so then it will be different invoice number. If you are submitting your broadband bills, so then that will be the number of your bill. Invoice number is the number of the invoice that you are submitting.
Okay, if you have
And
multiple invoices, I mean, train ticket, I mean, hotel bill.
so then you can you can create 10 claims, or you can create one PDF like how it used to happen. Like I used, like every time when I was working at HCL back, like a few years back. So it was something 600 or something, right? Uh, for 1 month. So I don't used to apply it every month. I used to apply it for 3 months. So then I used to apply three things, one, two, three claims. So similarly, in few organization, it is quarterly. So then you have to go ahead, add everything in one PDF, and then you can give.
Yeah, got it, got it.
Okay.
What's an assignee?
Assignee, like with whom it is assigned, the ticket is assigned to. Assignee, I think it will be redundant column. It is not required here, it seems. Why? Because your claim, like it will not be assigned to anyone, right? It will be approved by RM and then it will go to your, what to say, your accounts team and it will be cleared, right? Isn't it?
Yes.
Is it the same as employee ID or employee name?
Which column?
The assignee.
No. Look, it's gone.
Indra, we can have two amounts, right? Like expensed amount and what company has given received amount, approved amount.
Okay. Happy?
Yeah.
Very good. Cool. So guys, let's go ahead and implement this. Okay. Mm-hmm. This is a SharePoint site. This is a SharePoint website, guys. So I want to create a SharePoint site for your batch. So I want each one of you to create your own SharePoint sites. Okay. Don't reuse. I will not be giving any access to the SharePoint site. So everything that we are doing in the class that you have to repeat. Everything you have to repeat. Okay. Once the class is over. So how to create SharePoint site? I will go very slow. So I want each one of you to repeat the same steps. And with the help of these steps, the site will be created. Okay. Just give me a sec. So just click on create site here. Once you will click on create site, you have to select here, like whether you will be building a portal or a team site. So I want to build a team site. Click on this. So from here, you can select the template. So I want standard. So use this template. So you can give the name to your site. So you can give anything. It can be like, suppose Tushar is building it. So Tushar can give Tushar SharePoint site. So I am building for this patch. So I will give it Power Platform US patch started in December, right? December 2025 morning batch. Okay. So then it will check the site address, whether it is available or not. Group email address, next. So you can make it public or private. If you click on public, anyone will be able to access your site. If you will click private, so then only those people whom you are adding those will be able to access your site. So I want to make it private only. Create site. It will take few minutes and the site will be created. So if they are saying like if you want to add any member, so suppose I want to add Tushar, so I can give Tushar's ID here. So Tushar will get added. Okay.
1 minute, Indra. Um,
Yeah, go ahead. Waiting for you.
in privacy setting, we select public or private?
You can, if you will select public, then everyone will be able to access your site. So do you want to do that? Do you want everyone to
Uh,
see the data?
anyone in the organization. I mean, there is
Yes,
no.
anyone in the organization. Do you want people to see how many rupees Tushar has claimed? Like suppose
In
you
the
are
organization,
in the
okay, okay.
That
organization
means in the
backend.
real
This is
time, what we
backend.
have
This
to
is your
use.
database. Everyone will
Yes,
be
yes,
adding the stuff here. Every claim,
yes.
right? This
Okay,
is
okay,
not the
okay.
front end. This is the back end.
Yes, yes, yeah.
So we make it as a public or private.
You tell me. I made it. Whatever was
I
required, I
mean,
made
in
it.
the
You
real
missed it.
time.
Now you tell me what we should make. It should be public or private.
Private
Uh,
should be
As it
I
is a
private.
can I
backend,
can
right?
Priyanka,
It should be private.
look.
Okay.
Uh, let
Backend.
me. I will come to each one of you. Priyanka, look. Let me
Yeah.
tell you the difference between public and private. Public
Yeah.
means everyone in the organization will be able to view the data. Private means
Mhm.
only the people which you will be adding will be able to view the data. And this is
Okay.
the back end of your app, right? That
Yeah.
means suppose you are 35 users. So all 35 of you will be submitting the request, right? So now you
Yeah.
tell me like whether it should be public or private.
Private only.
Private only?
Yeah.
Very good. What about others? All of you?
Yes, yes, private for sure.
Very good.
Okay.
It's done. Let me click on finish. Here you go. Your site is created. Power Platform December 2025. Morning batch. So if you want to use the SharePoint folder, you can go ahead and use from here. But I don't want to use the SharePoint folder. I want to create SharePoint site or list. So just click on list, guys. So if you missed it, let me repeat. Go to home, click on new, click on list and create a list. Click on list, give your list a name. So what was our table name, guys? Expense details.
Expense client.
expense management.
Table, guys, table. It can be anything.
Expense app. Expense app you did.
Guys, this is not app we are building. We are building the table, the backend, this thing. Okay. So it can be,
Expense.
you can give anything. If you want to give the name as okay, suppose Priyanka underscore expense, you can give. This is just the backend table. Okay.
Okay.
Like when you use your claim management app in your organization, do you know into which table it is getting populated as a front end user? You never know, right?
Actually,
You will click on
actually.
submit and it will be gone, isn't it? Right, my dear friends.
Yes, yes.
Yes, Indra.
Very. Let's implement, guys. Let's implement the columns. What were the columns? First thing first. First column was
Claim ID.
okay. So claim ID will be of which data type? You know what is data type, guys? Is there anyone in the class who don't know what is data type? Anyone? Is there anyone in the class who know what is data type?
Yes, I know.
Okay.
Yes.
You know, right? So data type is nothing, guys. It is the type of the data that a column can store. As simple as it is. Okay. So first column that we will be implementing will be claims ID, right? So claims ID can be of which data type, guys?
Int.
Integer text or
Integer.
It should
Integer.
be text.
What if I want to have some like claims 001, claims 002, claims 003, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that.
Alphanumeric.
No,
Alphanumeric.
text.
Alphanumeric.
text
Alphanumeric, right? So alphanumeric is nothing but text. Okay. Click on text. Next. Text. Next. Very good rhyming. I don't want to write it again and again. Claims ID. Single line of text, right? And default value, let it be blank. More options. So from here, you can decide how many characters. 255 characters is fine. Save. Claims ID is done. What next? Employee ID.
Employee ID.
What it should be? What should be the data type?
same
Number.
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 This can also be text, Indra.
This can also be text, right?
Yes.
Might win few organization only number also, but let's for the safe side, let's keep text because if we are keeping text, then we will be able to add only number also, right? If it is only number. But if you
Indra,
are keeping a number, so then if your employee ID contains some alphanumeric characters, so then it will not work, right?
Indra, like single type of text, what is that option?
Single line of text and multi-line of text is nothing what that is depending on the what to say length of the text that you're expecting, you can write. So suppose I will not take I will not go into very detail because I will be covering this thing in Dataverse. So single line of text, suppose you are using data type as single line of text. So there you will be able to store suppose only 10 characters. Okay, not exactly 10, there will be much more. But in multi-line of text, the
Paragraph.
upper limit will be much higher, 1,000, like 1,000. Getting it?
Description.
Yeah, got
Paragraph.
it. Got it, Indra.
Yeah, that is fine. It can
Indra,
be
can we
paragraph, it
make
can be essay. Sorry?
hello? Yeah, can we make claim ID as incremental values like auto incremental in SharePoint?
Directly you can't, but we will be implementing in the class with the help of PowerFX.
Okay.
In Dataverse, you can directly do that.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So that is the main reason of using SharePoint because here you will be creating a simple plain table, like plain dosa. Okay. And then you will be adding the flavors from Canvas app with the help of PowerFX. Okay.
Okay, Indra, thank you.
Cool. What is next? Employee name. It should be
Text.
Text.
let's do it little quicker, guys. Department.
Text.
Text.
Choice.
Don't you feel choice?
Oh,
We'll be having
choice.
limited number of departments, right?
Yeah, choice.
So why choice? Why not text? So if you will give free text, so suppose someone is from IT department, so someone will like IT like this, someone will write IT like this, right? Someone will write IT like this. Someone will write might be like this IT department, right? Someone may write IT department, all caps, but the department is same, right? All these are one department only, isn't it? All these 5 people.
So this is data retention, something you spoke about this in Power BI, right?
Not retention. This is data integrity issue,
Integrity, yeah. Sorry.
right?
The
So
value
when
can
now,
be kind of static, so that's why we want to go for the choice one.
yes. So is there any issue that it will cause?
Then
It will have multiple rows.
It
Think.
will have multiple rows, but again, like suppose you are building some Power BI report on top of it, and I want you to give me the IT people. How many IT people in your team? So then how you can identify? There is no pattern. It is different for everything, right? How you will match, how you will count,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Yeah.
Right?
But
Your data is
Power BI takes care of it, right?
how?
You said, I mean, data integrity and casing, we were talking about something in Power BI.
Power BI takes care when it takes about when we create relationships, right?
Yeah.
Right. Merge queries, append queries. But if I want you to use IT in Slicer, so then you will be getting all the 5 version, right? Of the for the IT department, isn't it?
Okay. Unless you clean it, actually, like clean it before.
Yes,
Yeah.
correct. So how you will clean? You have to perform lot of this operations, right?
Operation. Got it.
Replace
Yeah.
operations. Like replace
Yeah.
IT department with IT, this IT with IT, this IT with IT. So that will be a complete mess, guys. Okay?
Okay. So in order to avoid it, you're giving a choice directly, like so that.
Yes. So wherever it is required, this is the thumb rule of any app that you will be building. You should give users as less control as it is possible to write the things free-handed in the app. Okay? That we will be seeing in the app also. So what will be the departments, guys? It will be choice. And what will be the choice options?
IT department, HR department, sales department.
Indra, I have a question. I guess can't we make it in a single click instead of updating these columns manually?
Sorry?
Can't we make this in a single click, like add new item directly uploading any Excel file kind of things? Do we have that option?
I am not sure in SharePoint whether you can create or not. Okay, you can explore around that. But this is deliberately I'm creating one by one because this is data design that we are implementing. So I want each one of you to think about the data type and then implement and then discuss. Okay. So
Yeah.
if you want to create it single, then also it will not work. Why? Because this is like this. Okay. So if you
Mm-hmm.
want to create it single time, so then everything in the Excel should be it in tabular format. You have to create
Okay.
columns A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H like that. And then
Okay.
that will cause more issues. Why? How you will identify, okay, the choice will be for the choice should have department, choice should have IT, sales, and all that you have to mention somewhere, right?
Mm-hmm.
Isn't
So
it?
that's what I'm asking. Is there any option do we have, or we have to do it manually for every
As per
column?
me, there is no option to do it in SharePoint.
Okay, fine. Thanks.
Okay. So IT, sales, what else, guys?
Finance. Yeah.
Finance. That's it.
HR.
Marketing.
HR.
HR.
Most important at HR.
Admin.
Yes.
Account.
Admin.
Accounting.
In which
Ledger
department
department.
we all will come, guys? It's IT? No, right?
IT.
Accounts? Okay. These many are enough. What next? Email. Email should be of type. Let's do it quickly now. Email, guys. Text.
Text.
Text. Yeah.
Contact number.
Number.
Location.
Multiple line.
Multiple line or choice?
Multiple line.
Choice.
Okay. Who's saying multiple line? Sana.
Yeah.
It was you?
This is the location of this is the location of the office, not the employee. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, got it. Just choice.
Choice, right? So might we
Yeah.
suppose your location office is in New Delhi,
Yeah, got it.
or let me say NCR, Hyderabad, and suppose Mumbai. These three offices are there. That's done for location. Employee type. Employee
Choice.
type.
Choice.
Very good. Choice, right? FTE.
Contract.
Contract.
CTH, right? CTH stands for?
Contract to hire.
Very good.
Contract.
RM. So I will keep it single line of text for now, guys, because I want to implement something by creating other table in the course. So let's keep it on hold for now. Okay. Claim status.
Choice.
Very good. What will be the status values?
Approved.
Submitted. In progress. Approved.
First thing first, it will be submitted. Right?
Process.
Then
Pending.
Approved.
Pending.
pending approval
Rejected.
Approved.
and
Approved.
approved
Denied.
and rejected.
Rejected.
Close.
That's it.
Closed.
So if it is approved, then it's closed. Okay. So what should be the default value of status? Let it be blank only. We will implement from PowerFX. Cool. What next? Submission date.
Date and time.
Date and time. Do you want to include time?
Default or something.
Done. What next? Description.
Multiple line.
Line of text.
Very good. You guys are killing it. Done. Claim type.
Choice.
Very good. Now tell me the choice values.
Broadband.
Broadband, travel,
Styrofoam.
certification. What
Software.
else?
Medical.
Medical. One more, guys.
Accommodation. Feeding.
Accommodation.
Communication.
Yep. Or like a hotel.
That's fine. Let's keep these many. When you are creating your table, you can keep, if you want to have 50 claims, claim type, you go ahead and implement it. Okay. That's fine because here we have limited time. So we will be implementing the bare minimum thing. Okay. What next? Amount. Amount should be in
Number.
very good. Attachments. Let's
Media.
keep it on hold because attachments directly you can't use with SharePoint. For that, you have to do something extra that I will tell you in the course how to do it. Completion date. Completion date will be date and time. What next? Approved amount. It should be
Number.
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 next one. Comments.
Multiple line.
Choice.
Comments choice.
Sorry, multiple.
Invoice number.
Text.
It should be text. Okay. So guys, congratulations. We have this implemented the data design of your app. Okay. Whatever we discussed, we implemented. Now we are ready with the data set. We are ready with the data design, right? And we are ready with the database also. So now you have to go ahead. You have to create an app on top of it. So then whatever people will be submitting, it will get stored here. Are you able to visualize like what will happen, what is happening?
Yes, Indra.
Yes. So now, guys, tomorrow we will go ahead and we will implement the Canvas app. We will create an app, we will create a connection, and we will start working on the first screen of our app. I will hold it here. Okay, because why? Because let me tell you why I don't want to cover a lot of things. We already covered a lot. So I want, first thing first, I want you to interact with me. Second thing, at least the people who are new here, they can interact and discuss. I don't want to overwhelm them. And you will be getting your licenses once you will enroll, right? The people who are new to the course. So you will be getting your licenses might be on tomorrow is a holiday, right? You want holiday tomorrow or you want class?
Class.
Class in
Class.
But there will be few people from
Holiday.
US.
No, we want class.
One class. Yeah.
Okay, I will let Mahesh decide that. Okay, you will get the notification if it is there or not. Cool.
Okay.
So that is fine. So the people who are basically new to this, who does not have KSR credentials, so you guys will not be able to implement, right? So I at the same time I don't want to have lot of backlogs for you after 5 class that that you have to implement. So that's why I will go little slow in these 3 4 classes. Already this is the third class. Tomorrow will be the fourth and then fifth class, and then might be over the weekend you will get the credentials. I will add all of you in the environment and then you can implement. So the people who are already enrolled, so guys, the people who already has credentials, so I want you to go ahead and implement till today. Okay, you don't have any roadblocks. Clear, making sense?
Yes, yes, yes.
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 So guys, now we are in doubt session. Whatever doubts you have, go ahead. We will
Indra, I
discuss.
kind of have a suggestion, not exactly a doubt.
Mhm.
Yeah. So, Indra, when you cover some topics, so okay, simultaneously, can you give us also the important interview questions? For example, now we are covering SharePoint. So, yeah, around the topic, what could be asked? Because at the end of the sessions, we will get some interview questions, right? But yeah, it will be really helpful for us also that you give us some running notes, kind of interview questions. This could be a situation. This could be an answer to be expected, kind of a thing.
Yeah,
So
that will
what
be
do you
that
think?
you will be getting, Avinash. This is just the beginning. We not even basically laid down the foundation.
Mm-hmm.
So this is just the beginning. Like this is teaser, not even trailer. Okay. So we
Yeah,
will be
understand,
starting the
Indra. Like into the SharePoint, right? So now we have covered up
SharePoint.
some
No one
topics.
will ask you anything. Like this is the extra thing that you are learning. That's it. This is not SharePoint.
Um,
Nothing you will get when you will work for Power Platform.
okay,
Yeah.
got it.
You will be getting to know every interview question, every scenario. It's just
Mhm.
the matter of time.
Okay, Indra. And I kind of appeared few of the interviews recently, and they are more inclined towards the Power Automate. So yeah, when the topic will come, so can we also go as much deeper we can go with Power Automate? Because I have noticed appeared in kind of 4 or 5 interviews recently, and they all
You
were
remember any
very.
interview questions, Avinash?
Yeah, I kind of remember. So there was a question where they wanted to know, like you want to go for approval, where you have two data sources. First is your SharePoint, another one is a SQL Server, and the approval should be no taken care simultaneously at the both the side.
Hmm.
So I've been to internet and finding out the questions like how it should be, but unfortunately I didn't get any answer. Right.
Yeah.
And very very tricky they were no asking questions, not very straightforward things. They are like creating kind of a situation where they ask some.
Yeah, that's why everything we are implementing here, Avinash, with projects, because straightforward, like Power FX, I can tell you, okay, this is fetch function, this is how it will work. I can tell you how to create SharePoint connection in 5 minutes, right? There is no need of creating SharePoint site or something, right?
Mhm.
I can tell you
Yeah.
how to do exception handling in 10 minutes. So entire Power Apps, you will be able to see few courses in the market where they will cover entire canvas app in 3 days, right?
Yeah.
So it is not like that. So I know like all of you will be having these questions because you are new to this thing, right? And there are a
Mhm.
lot of thing in the market which is happening, right? So like I will not call I will be very blunt. Like there are scams kind of thing which is happening, right? So it will not happen here for sure. There are a lot of people who joined. I trained almost 500 plus people by now. Okay, in this year only. So people come with this kind of mindset, and this is not bad or something, right? So you will be getting to know everything. So I would want to interact with you once the course is over. And I would want to get the feedback, like whether you are getting to answer the interview questions or not. So everything will fall in place. Only thing that I need from you, Avinash, right?
Yeah.
Avinash is like you should go ahead, implement the stuff, implement the projects. I should. I don't want any kind of delays from your end. From my end, it will be 110% effort. Okay.
I totally understand. And are you kind of pairing some of the recent interviews these days, just
Yes.
for trying that what exactly
Yeah, bro, I'm a working professional. I work as a solution architect. All the things that you are learning here, this is
uh-huh.
my day in, day out work from last 6 years.
No, just
Okay.
just for the interviews like in the
I
market,
just
what
switched.
kind of.
I just switched 4 months back.
Okay.
Okay.
So what I have noticed, Indra, is like more inclined towards the Power Automate. They're not kind of focusing onto
Let me tell
some
you
of the
one more.
questions are
Let me tell you, Avinash, one more reality.
yeah.
Power Automate Cloud might be no one will ask you after few months or a year. Everything will move to Copilot Studio, Agentic AI. Okay. You can
Okay.
integrate your Power Automate flows in agents. You can
Mm-hmm.
give a prompt to agent. It will call Power Automate flow behind the scenes. So it is going to get shift there. I can see that
Yeah.
because Microsoft has already started working a lot on Copilots. In the recent Ignite event, they have introduced a few Copilot agent like document processing and all with the help of Power Automate integration and all. Okay. So, and the
Yeah.
good news is we will be covering that in the code.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Yes, Tushar, you have raised hand from long back. Bro, go ahead, please.
Screenshot of that column.
Sorry?
Can you just share that Excel sheet?
No.
I want to take screenshot actually.
No.
Why?
I want you to go ahead and create your own columns. Exercise it is.
Okay.
Or if you want to copy it, that is fine. But ideally, I wanted to go ahead. I wanted you to go ahead and create your own.
Okay, no issue.
I have shared it, by the way. If you want to take the snapshot, you can. Just for your
Yeah, I have
reference.
already taken. Yeah.
Already taken?
Yes.
So fast you are. Okay.
Thank you.
Indra, we are not able to see those components that you are using for teaching class.
Which components? Sorry.
Like what you are covering in the class.
Yes, I'm not
Yesterday,
clear with the question.
you are adding things and you can see in the website you were saying yesterday, right?
It will be there. Let me go ahead and show you. It will be in session history.
I tried.
This is what I have added. Power Apps, intro, difference and UI walkthrough. From where you are logging in? Are you logged in from website?
Yes, website.
You want to share your screen?
Now, how can I see while in the class? How can I see now?
You can open it in new tab, na? Have you joined from browser?
I think it's, yeah, I'm joining from browser only.
वहां से दिखेगा, like it will be there.
If everyone is able to see, then I definitely can able to see.
Indra, I am also not able to see the session history from the
Yeah,
side.
so I can guide you guys if you can share your screen, how to see.
Yeah,
Anyone can share
I
screen.
I can share my screen.
Yes.
Maybe I'm not sure if I am correct or not.
Yeah, that is fine. It might be issue from our end also. So that's why, like, if it is actually a issue, we can ask team to go ahead and work on it.
Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Yeah. So from here, I am logging in to join the class.
Okay.
From here. So yeah, usually I join from here. So
yeah, that's fine. Go to the class list.
Where is that? 1 second.
Go to my courses.
Okay.
Click on Power Platform Developer with AI and Copilot. Click on this.
Oh, okay.
This is the data set, and you are here for the. You are not an enrolled student, Sunita.
I enrolled and I got
click on
the
sessions.
credentials.
Click on sessions on top.
Okay.
Where you have modules. Click on sessions. Scroll down.
Okay.
Look topic.
Oh,
Power Apps intro. Difference in UI walkthrough. For December 22.
Okay.
Right?
Now
Intro to Power Platform.
Okay. Yeah. Till here I didn't browse. Okay. Yeah. I got the credentials as well. So okay.
Yeah,
And
that's
now
fine
I
then.
got it. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Indra.
Thanks. Sunita, is
Yes,
it clear?
how
Now?
did you get the credentials? Like how to get that?
So basically, once you will enroll, everyone will get it together. Okay. So then we will generate and send it to you. So if you are enrolling late or very early, so then you can, with the help of coordinator, you will be enrolling, right? So you can let them know you want credentials. So then you can drop an email to email ID support@datavizon.com. Then you will be getting it over the email. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Is it clear, Sunita, like how to view the history? like both Sunitas having same doubts. So is it clear to
Yeah,
both
yeah.
of you?
Yes,
Yeah, it's
Indra.
clear to me. Yeah,
Yes,
thank
cool.
you.
Yeah, Siva.
Um, Coming to the licensing, can you just give the brief idea? If we take the Power BI, we have Pro, Premium. Coming to the Power Apps, let's say if we develop the app, what
So
is
yes, so
required?
Siva, for Power BI we covered licensing, right?
Yeah,
Pro and Premium. I told you like this will be Pro feature, this will be Premium feature, isn't it?
right.
It will come for Power Apps also. Okay, you have to wait.
I understand, but just to get the idea, so let's say if we develop the form, in this case, to give the access for the data entry, do we need a premium license on the Power Apps side? Let's say I'm just talking about Power Apps for now. Just to get an idea, like, do we need all users to have a premium license?
Yes.
Or okay.
Answer is yes.
Okay, because I was going to the E5 license. E5 license cover the premium now. Microsoft keep changing license. So
Yeah, because Microsoft has deactivated the developer plan. It is retired. So now only one license, premium license only for Power
there's
Apps.
no Pro,
There is no developer plan. Pro was
no
never
Pro.
there. Pro was never there, bro. Like the two licenses were there. There was one developer plan, second one was premium. So developer plan is retired, and now they have only one license, premium license. I will not discuss more on this because I don't want to complicate for other people. Okay, we will discuss
No
it at the
worries.
right time. Cool. Yes. Anyone else, guys? Anything? So the people who are new here, you guys can discuss anything and everything with me, guys, related to your careers, related to your what to say domains, anything that you want to discuss. So this is the golden opportunity where you can interact with me. If you're enrolling, not enrolling, that is different thing altogether. But if you want any help, anything that you want to discuss, go ahead and discuss with me. Yeah, Vinash.
Yeah, Indra, thanks for
Yeah.
letting. So Indra, basically, I kind of have worked a little bit on the Power App side,
Uh-huh.
and yeah, just one project that I have built, and basically, I'm a BI developer.
Mm-hmm.
So I feel little comfortable while I was working with it, with Power Apps and Power Automate stuff.
Yeah.
But yeah, when it comes to interview, it's kind of being really very tricky. I mean, no.
Yeah.
So I kind of applying for 7 years of experience. So what do you think? Should I kind of decrease the year of experience for the Power Platform? Should I go with something 3 years or something like that?
So how much experience you have, Avinash,
In
now?
total, I have kind of 9 years, and
Okay.
yeah,
And like, are you comfortable in telling me your CTC range?
it's 14 LPA currently.
14 LPA, very good. Look, Avinash, you don't have to exaggerate your experience a lot. 7 years or 8 years. Because
Okay.
Power Apps Canvas app itself is a 5-year-old product.
Yeah.
Okay. So what I want you to do is you can go ahead and update your CV with 4 years of experience, 4 years of relevant experience. But you
Okay.
should sound like a 4-year relevant experience guy. So
Mm-hmm.
if you are here with me, you are enrolling and you are building the classroom project and you are building the homework projects. So
Mm-hmm.
obviously you will be more than 4-year experience guy, okay? Provided you have good communication skills. You know how to answer. Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
Because
yeah,
here we will be covering lots of things, like not only theoretically. Theoretically, though we will cover nothing. Everything we will cover practically scenario based only.
yeah.
So all the issues that you are facing in scenario based questions that will be resolved. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And with 4 or 5 years of experience, I have seen people getting like from your experience to 100% hike. I myself got 100 and something percent hike. I can't discuss my financials here, but that's why I asked you that. Okay. So now for you, you should go ahead, decrease your experience. Second
Okay.
thing, Second thing, what you need to do is you have to, if you are enrolling here, that's fine. Well, like I'm not asking you to go ahead and enroll. So it is your choice if you are
I've
enrolling.
already enrolled, Indra. I'm being a ex
Okay.
student for a very long time with
Yeah,
KSR.
that is fine. Then that clause is deactivated. So you are already enrolled student. I want you to follow everything religiously. Okay. When I say religiously, it should
Mhm.
be religiously. Like you follow your, what to say, the God, right? Whatever you believes in, whichever
Mhm.
gods you believe in, right? You follow it religiously. So similarly here also you have to follow everything point by point, point to point, point to point. Okay. Once you are done with everything, you will automatically start feeling confident because you are already a working professional. I know, don't need to tell you, because suppose you are working on one technology for 9 years, right? So in
Mhm.
those 9 years, in the real time, you will not get opportunity to work on all the components of the technologies, right?
Yeah.
You will work on few components, isn't it? So similarly in Power Platform also, if you're claiming for 4 5 years, you can say, okay, for 2 years I worked on Canvas app, for 2 years I worked on model driven app. The project I was working on, it was model driven heavy, right? So
Mhm.
here you will be getting everything meaningful you will be getting, because like I myself work on all these things end to end, like in my projects. So there is a module called as Power Pages in our course. Power Pages is very new. Previously it was Power App Portals.
Mhm.
So in my recent organization, we delivered a project on Power Pages. So I have like good knowledge on that also, that I will be sharing with you the insights. We will be discussing the actual projects that I have implemented, how we solve the problem. So that problem solving skill also you will get here. So these are the two things that I want you to do. I think once you are done with this,
Mhm.
everything will fall in place.
Yeah, yeah. So I kind of, Indra, cracked some of the rounds. I have given a lot of interviews these days. I mean, in December month particularly.
Yeah.
So in the Power App side, what they're asking is difference between a lookup function, filter function, search function, how you will manage, delegations, right? And
Bro, all
the
these things will
integration
be
is,
very basic. All
yeah.
these things will sound basic to you in
Right,
3 weeks.
right.
Just
That I have
wait for three
answered
weeks.
confidently, Indra. What is the exact issue which I am facing is from the Power Automate side. So all of the interviewers are more inclined towards the automate side. They are not asking a lot of questions from the Canvas app or model driven app. But yeah, they are more focusing on to Power Automate side. All the interview questions were surrounding Power Automate. What is the custom
Look,
connectors? How you are
whatever.
connecting?
Yeah,
Yeah.
those all things will be covered, Avinash. You don't need to worry about that. Again, that's
Yeah, I have seen the brochure. It's there, Indra. Just for no other people to know, like
yes, yes,
how
yes.
the experience are going on.
Yeah, and like there is one positivity also, like with whatever you're talking. So
Mhm.
in December month, you are getting lots of call, right? So that tells about the market for Power Platform.
Yeah, plenty, Indra. To be honest, plenty of calls are there. I mean, every day I'm getting around 10 to 12 calls. So
Yeah.
yeah, know the tricks which is there in the last previous batch, which Power BI full stack development course I've taken from here. So they taught me to tweak your
Yeah.
Naukri profile every day. So I'm doing
Correct.
thrice a day, little bit of
Yes.
tweaking. So that's rank my profile, and seeing the experience they are also connecting with me.
Yeah, because 4 years experience is the sweet spot where you will get lots of calls. 2 to 4 years of experience.
Mhm.
Okay.
So how I should display like 9 years, so I could go with 7 years as a Power BI developer or 4 years as a Power Platform developer, is it?
Yeah, you can do that. That's fine.
Okay. Okay.
Cool.
Cool.
I think Sido Kafu, you were having doubt, right? After Avinash, you were getting unmuted.
Yes, I just want to find out if are we going to cover the ROPA?
RPA, right? So
Yes.
RPA solution, which is available in Power Platform, is Power Automate Desktop. Okay. So we will be covering it. But if you talk about like you want to learn it with the lens of RPA, so then like it is different thing altogether, Kafu. Okay. So then you have to learn CMDs, Python scripting and all. So those things we are not covering. whatever is required for being a Power Platform developer, those things we are covering here for Power Automate Desktop. Okay.
Thank you.
B. Dinesh Kumar. I think you also raised hand.
Yes, Indra.
Yeah.
So now we created this expense thing, right? So, for example, in the department, so by mistake we are not chosen choice, right? So later we can change it, right?
Yes, you can. You will not be able to change the data type. You can remove it and create a new column, and then you have to update the form.
Okay.
Okay.
Done. Thank you.
Cool. Anyone else? Vamsi, what you are doing? Anyone else? Any doubt, guys, that you want to discuss? Cool. If nothing else, guys, you will get a notification for tomorrow's session very soon, whether it's a holiday or like whether it is a class tomorrow. Then let's meet again in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, Indra.
Thanks, guys. Have a good day ahead.